Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card in Fujifilm camera. And to do this, we'll need to take a look on the bottom of our camera, then open this hatch right here by pulling it up where the arrow is pointing. Inside we can find the slot for our SD card, and you'll need this adapter also. Now we need to insert it, I guess, like this. And then simply push it in with your fingernail or something thin and close the hatch. Now your SD card is inserted. When you power on the camera, you might need to format it before you can start using it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.